we're going to start with you, Dana, over at DHS. By the way, first of all, congratulations on the appointment.
Thank you.
Certainly deservingly, and I'm sure you're up for that task. CIO Heisen often talks about the extensive amount of citizens that are reaching, and non-citizens that are reaching out to the Department of Homeland Security. And also, I think about the wide swath of goods and services that you all perform there. Daunting task. I know you're up for it. Congratulations. Give us a state on CX.
Well, as you know, Luke, first, thank you for having me on the show. But as you know, the Department of Homeland Security is a huge agency. We have 8 operating component agencies that cover a lot of ground, a lot of different kinds of customers, from travelers and businesses in trade and export and import to law enforcement to people applying for immigration benefits. We have about 1 billion touch points with the public every year. This is a huge undertaking to improve every one of those touch points. So we've managed to do quite a lot, even though we only just formalized the office leading up to this point. So one of the biggest accomplishments, I think, is that we ran a burden reduction initiative at CIO Heisen's urging. OMB estimates that the department puts about 190 million burden hours on the public through forms or through data collections. Last year, we eliminated 20 million of those burden hours working with PRA officers and programs across the department. This is a huge undertaking. It took, probably hundreds of people working on various user experience efforts, as well as policy and process improvements. And we're really proud that while the challenge was eliminating 20 million hours, we actually exceeded that and reached about 21.5 million hours. So that's thing one. Thing two is we did stand up and formalize a CX office, the Customer Experience Directorate.
Bravo.
In OCIO. And while that is a beautiful institutionalizing step, we have been working on customer experience efforts since CIO Heisen landed at the department. But now that we're formalized, this gives us billets and budget and authority that we didn't necessarily have before, including authority to direct the components to stand up their own offices or capabilities over the next year. We're so excited about that, and that work is underway now. In addition, we've managed to pull together really beautiful resources on a public website at dhs.gov/CX that we use ourselves, but also is for building capacity and capabilities across the department for anybody who wants to do CX work or who is just CX curious.